The next shield in this series is the AMP3 12 HTS. The AMP3 is designed specifically to fit full brim helmets. A full brim helmet is a helmet that the brim surrounds 360 degrees on the helmet. It's wider than what a normal helmet is. Therefore, we've made a wider attachment for the brim, an elastomeric tubing attachment at the back. This slips on and off the helmet easily so that you can remove the face shield when necessary. This shield still has all the same features as before. The lever lock system on the interior of the bracket. It has the transparent chin protector made of the same material as the face shield, and this is permanently mounted. This has an anti-fog coating on the interior and a 12-calorie rating.